Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to change the voucher status in Fresa app. So initially, this is how the dashboard of Fresa app looks like. We have to log in first. After your successful login, go to Accounts module. After the page navigation, click on All Vouchers menu. Now we have to select the details as per our requirements and then click on Submit button. Now we can see here the results. Pick the one of which you are going to change the status. Here we will be able to see the status as created. We have to change that status to approved, so click on Change Status button. Now choose the new status as approved and then click on Save. The voucher has been successfully updated to approved. Now click the Change Status button again. Here we have to choose the new status as posted. Then click on Save button. Now the voucher has been successfully posted. Why we are posting the voucher in the sense? Then only it will get reflected on the ledger transaction. Hope this video will be very helpful for you to change the status of voucher. Thanks for watching.